Good morning, everybody. What's happening? Looks like the levels are fine. Okay, so market is off a little bit, really off of maybe some tampered expectations of a more aggressive rate cut. That will be, I don't want to say remedied, but it'll be made more clear after Powell speaks tomorrow, not today. I'd say he is speaking today, but he is just, I think he's giving the introductory speech to something about the bank stress test, which the results are already known. So I wouldn't expect him to drop any sort of economic bombs today when he's going in front of the Senate and Congress later on in the week. But we do have a number of other Fed guys that are talking today, so we'll see, if they're going to try and set expectations for tomorrow. I wouldn't get too excited about that. I did have K-Shea CIA up. There's not going to be anything to do. They were bought by Cisco, so there won't be any sort of trading there. We do have quite a few inside bars that are setting up, and really, our powder is still dry. We are in Beyond Meat. We did get that done. Wow. Things almost 159, Charlie.